Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a frustrating problem that many Windows users might encounter. Picture this. You lock your Windows 11 PC, walk away for a bit, and when you come back, you find yourself logged out. Not only that, but all your running apps have closed, your starter programs need to reload, and even your RGB fans have reset to default. Annoying, right? But what's causing this pesky problem? In comes the solution. By using the Powercfg System Power Report tool, our user identified a series of abnormal shutdowns due to potential unexpected power loss. Upon further investigation in the event logged, kernel power errors were detected. The culprit? A power strip handling a heavy load with devices like an i9, RTX 4090, speakers, external hard drive enclosure, and 2 monitors. The sudden drop in voltage when the PC was locked might trigger a shutdown to protect the circuits. The fix? Simply bypassing the power strip and plugging the PC directly into the wall resolved the issue. Funny how it only acted up when the PC was locked, right? To wrap it all up, the key to solving the problem of unexpected logouts and reboots lies in understanding the power source's capabilities and limitations. By eliminating the potential voltage drop issue when the PC is locked, our user was able to enjoy uninterrupted computing. And there you have it, folks. If you ever face a similar situation, remember to check your power source and distribution. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your favorite tech quirk. See you next time.